Happy day and happy National Poetry Month this April 9th, 2024. My name is Shirley A. Franklin, and I'm reading you a poem from a book of poetry that God blessed me to publish in 2002. This poem I'm reading is titled, Your Treasure is There. What was dear to you has now gone to God, and with her went your heart. A valued love is missing, and you hated to see her depart. But rest assured that the strength of your days will come from knowing this is so. Wherever your treasure is, your heart will be also. So set your sights on heaven, lift your eyes, heart, and mind. Focus ever Godward, and give your life to Christ divine. And surely, 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 one day you will again behold the lost earthly treasure when you come across that goal. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you, and God bless you.